Dumelang Lindlord, this is your girl, Disable D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My Landlords, we are back with Uthando Nestembu. Guysini, uMacele, une-earthly king. And her earthly king is no other than uMusa Mseleko. Girl, when she's asked nje wathi Musa yini kuye, hey, uthi nje my earthly king. But ke asikho lapho. Girl also felt ukuthi the other wives are blaming her for into Musa because she said they all contributed. That was her word. Ukuthi we all contributed to Ubabake being in hospital. Others did not necessarily agree with the statement, but that's how she felt. And we all know ukuthi uMacele most of the time when she believes something, people must run with it. It should be the real reflection. But the other wives felt like, no, asimenzanga ukuthi ugule because of ama-decisions wakhe awathathile nani. So that is why there was a low-key little conflict when it comes to the hospital issue and uMseleko being sick. uMacele ngisho bekasawa angahleki angayenzini, but ugirl yena what I like about uMacele ushilo athi mina laphayana ngiyela ukuyo-ayina out ama-issues wami nalabo girl ukuthi ngibone ukuthi kahle kahle uvatha kwani kuhambani. And after all the discussions were had, athi babundabe phambi kokuthi uvale mina bengicela ukuthi amakhosikazi kababa uMthombeni angitshele ukuthi why are they of the view that I am the one that is pushing or that pushed for uSamke to be added on the list of wives? Why do they think ukuthi kahle kahle this is my idea, this is my baby? Ngachazwa uMangwabe azange ayele nale athi mina ngicela ukuthi ngiyiphendule, even though it's not a topic that I'm interested talking about, but can I respond to you Macele? Yonke lento is it because of the words that uMthombeni says when he comes back from your house. Wamkhumbuza ke uMangwabe wathi ugirl uye wathi yena wethu number 5 ukhona akekho interested, and ingachazwa yini production yathi video yakhona bayifaka. And then uMangwabe wabuyela futhi kule scene le athi bakhumbula abajiva bathola imbuzi bathi number 5 akalandwe kujiva kumnandi. To her that meant ukuthi the decision vele lies with uMacele yokuthi kungene number 5, njengoba ugirl athi why are you guys blaming me? Why am I the center of attraction when it comes to this whole issue? Why does it look like this is my wife? uMangwabe waqhubeka wathi sembuzile uMthombeni sibone TV ukuthi hey kuyokhokhwa kwenzakalani. uMthombeni wathi mina bengiyigulela njengoba bengigula banibhekile nina ukuthi bekuye bani kuyokhokhwa. Obviously ukuthi ubani uMacele. Macele ngisho niyamazi wathi hayi nayi imhlolo yabi bo etafuleni kwaba tense. Waphendula ke uCelsi wathi ke njengoba ngixakeke lokuxakeka nje ngixakekile kukumanje ngizoyithathaphi mina imali explaina lapha usa-explain ubaba uNdabe ngisho hayi wayihlekela uMayeni yazi wahleka ilook bamnike yona ngabona kahle ukuthi girl siyobonana emathuneni siyobonana. And makahleka uMayeni laba abayi-2 nabo sebayaqala ukuhleka ngithi mara le 3 musketeers ayisabi ukuba senkingeni. Ugirl uze wakhomenta ku-diary session ukuthi kanti sikuphi kahle kahle la. Mina ngididekile shem because now abantu bayahleka ngididekile kakhulu. Kuhlekisani? What is the comedy session? Who's the stand-up comedian in here? uMusa ke wangena defending uMacele and said whichever wife is taken and added into this family, it's my responsibility and I am the one that is going to take responsibility for that wife. And then uMangwabe wathi ashuthi wena ke bokhuluma mangakithi ke and into engichaza ngoMangwabe uyazi ukuthi iqiniso angeke liphume ngoba uguy usaba ugirl come nice. And makaba emotional umsele kuMacele uMacele uyamfila mara umuntu wakhe vele what do you expect? Athi shoot you lied and on their diary session uyabuza ukuthi manje amangangaka sowakhuluma ngami mfethu, like what like usuke uhloseni, like what do you want to achieve by lying and saying all these things. And Umusa responded to Guti, all these questions I'm asked ngigula sengicindezenini ya sizulu sathaba so ya ke gatelegile banong Samsoni le Slender kore wa itse ke eng go le gobe. And that is why I ended up like saying those things. And now, so those things, I'm not even sure what was my response because I was very sick. You could see Shem ukuthi oh uyamzwela uyazi ukuthi umusa Nkosi yami ave bamhlukumeza noma agula ave bangamuthandi kanti she forgets ukuthi bonke labafazi bane different relationships and separate relationships to uMthombeni. But bowubona ukuthi umayeni uMangwabe noma Khumalo bebafuna ukufa ngokuhleka like kore unopala fela gore ba nefatshe ba ntshe ditshego ba kwakwalle ka mokgono ho iragala ka teng. And I think ukuthi if next week today rather on Thursday the discussions continue, yeah, these girls must just talk. These ladies must just talk, iron things out. Sibone ukuthi who's who in the zoo, if siyaqhubeka or asiqhubeki. But also I feel ukuthi it's highly likely for uMakhumalo noMayeni to fix their situation more than it is Nomaqele to do the same with the other wives because of where they are seated and how they are held. This is what happened to Uthando Nestembu. I don't know ukuthi nina niyibone kanjani, but I would really love to hear what you say from the comment section down below because iyasha therapy session on the table. Iyasha kuyashisa. And I'm enjoying every moment of it. But yeah, this is your girl Disebo D. Please do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. I love you. Peace. Bye.